back to my channel. It has been a minute since I made a video, but today we have a special guest. Yay! She hasn't been on this channel in a very long time, and she recently purchased a product from Claire's, and we thought we would talk about it and do a tutorial on it. So if you want to see what product we were talking about, then keep on watching. Alright, so the product she got from Claire's was this little guy right here. It's a little makeup bear thing. It has lip gloss, eyeshadow, and all these other goodies in here. And we purchased this for $14.99. If you live in Canada, it is $19.99. So, I will open it up and show you what's inside. First, you have these little shimmer lip glosses. And then you have, we already played with this a while ago, but we figured we'd make a video on it.
Yeah.
So we have the eyeshadows right here. And then there's another layer. You have more lip glosses. And then we have the blush. So we are going to use this little palette Isabel today, so let's get started. Alright, so here's the eyeshadows. Isabel's going to pick the color that she wants on her eyes. We're going to do two colors, so go ahead and pick one.
The purple.
Purple. So we're going to start with the purple on the lid. There's a little fallout with this product, but the pigment is really, really good for kid makeup. And then we're just going to do the one eye, and then I'll do the other eye off the camera. So pick the other color, what you want for the top.
That yellow.
The yellow. Okay, so we're going to go in with the yellow and do that on top of the other color. Alright, go ahead and show the camera. Go up close to it. Close your eye. Alright, perfect. And then now we're going to go in with some of the blush. Go ahead and pick your color.
We do that.
Okay, she was going to do this pink one right here. Okay, we'll do this side. Go ahead and see your face. I'd say the tools are a little flimsy for the product. So if you had like your own makeup brushes, you could let her use it instead. Because it does make it a little blotchy. Just rub it in. Okay, go ahead and show the camera. Alright, so we got the before, nothing after. I'm going to do this other side and we will be right back.
Here's our final look.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching.
And
Until our next video, don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.
yeah.